Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Potomac beads for January of 2024. And I will say I peeked and looked inside and you will not be disappointed. Oh my gosh, the gorgeous beads in here. This is their treasure box and I get it monthly and it is always filled with such goodies. So let us look inside. And it says Fireside Warmth, a treasure box. And here are some the pieces. You see, these are duos. And then it's got the disc duo beads too, champagne luster. Oh, so pretty. And then the brown iris, metallic brown iris. This right here would make a really pretty pendant or earring, just these three together. And then I love when they send these endless rings. These are in an antique brass. And these pretty round Czech beads. And we've got a pair of angel wings. And a few other goodies. So let me get everything ready and I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the Super Duo beads, opaque red Picasso, 2x5 by 5 millimeter. These are so pretty. I love Picasso beads. And look at these. I'm just taking some of them out. Oh, look at the Picasso finish on these. These are stunning. They all went into. Oh, I'm so excited for this box. I love these, and you get a nice supply of them. Okay, and next is the Czech round beads, 4 millimeter garnet, pack of 60. I just left one in there. These are really pretty. Garnet red, so gorgeous. And next, I love these. I like them in the three holes too. Try these. Okay, get a nice package of these. These are the round beads, round duo beads in jet bronze. So there's 2 holes in here. So there's not a middle bead, a middle hole in the bead. There's one on the top, one on the bottom. But they're great for like designing earrings, you're sewing, and a really pretty pendant, which I'm kind of working at with that. Now next is Czech faceted round, 16 millimeters in crystal yellow. These are so pretty. Look at that faceting on that. Ooh. They're kind of heavy too. Got some weight to them. And next are fire agate faceted round 15-inch peridot. I'm filming this kind of early in the morning. It's a nice strand. Oh, look how pretty these are. Look at how pretty they are. And because they're faceted, look at all those sparkles. Love this. And it's a nice length. You could just put this on and make yourself a double bracelet and call it a day if you wanted to. There's one little bead in there. Okay, and next, I'm not going to open this up, the Azuki seed beads in metallic brown iris. You can see these. Very pretty. I love their seed beads. And these are a size 11. And then this, now this is not on the list. I'm not sure. It says Potomac Crystal Chatons, 3mm, and I'm not seeing them in here unless I did this wrong. But this isn't on the thing. Athena cast metal sample. So I'm just going with this. I don't know if they made a mistake because I do unboxings for them. I get the boxes a little earlier. And so this might not happen when you get your box. But this is just a really pretty set of wings. So very pretty. And then next, Potomac Crystal Bicone Beads, Topaz AB 2mm. I'm going to put them in this. This is just one big pile of sparkle. It seems like it's not getting, look at those. When you just look at that sparkle there, you just turn it down a little bit. Imagine that on a necklace or something. Oh, so pretty. And then next, disc duo beads in white champagne luster, 6mm, package of 50. You can do a lot with these. So you have these, and then you can see you have the 2 holes up there at the top. 50 of these. I mean, you could make a really nice pendant and a pair of earrings to match with these. I've got all kinds of ideas for this month's box. Okay, and then next, these are so pretty. Czech round beads, ancient gold, 3mm, pack of 100. This is a really nice box. Oops. Hold this so I don't drop them. Look how pretty that is. We got the little pinkish and purple and a little of the AB finish on there. So pretty. These even, like if you're making yourself a necklace or something, these would be really pretty as spacers even in it because of the sparkle and the finish on these. Okay, and next are the Czech star beads, Czech glass star beads. These are pretty. So cute little earrings. And they have it so that the hole goes through there. So you can have them. It's the same on both sides. So pretty. Okay, and next, Czech glass dagger beads, package of 20. These are so pretty. All out. So you've got the dagger there. These are really pretty too. Like if you do like a necklace and you want like the daggers hanging off in between each bead. Like if you're doing like a statement necklace, these would be really pretty. I love the colors in this box. I like the creams and the mocha browns and the red and then the green. Look at these Czech glass nugget beads, olivine Picasso. There's 4 of these. These are cool. It's got a weird shape to them. And there's just one hole right there in the middle. These are fun though. I like the quirky little shape of them. And then next, of course, some gorgeous pinch beads. Love these because they're 3-sided. If you're not familiar with what a pinch bead is, it looks like you took your finger and pinched them. So there's 3 sides to a pinch bead. And because of that etch that sharp corner, or not sharp, but you know, that corner you get that nice sparkle, like faceted. It's that. And then we have Athena Cast Micro Spacer Bead Links Antique Brass package of 10. These are cool because they're flat on that side, and then on this side they're not. So you can you could glue a bead in there if you wanted to. If you wanted to put that in, and then they have, you know, a hole on each side. So you can use these for a lot. You can leave them without anything in there and just use them like that too. Okay. And then last but not least, the Potomac Beads Perfect Form Endless Rings 20mm Premium Antique Brass Plating 20mm and a pack of 5. I did some really cool jewelry with these last time. And I took these, and then I had let me see, I had the dagger beads kind of dangling from the bottom of these. They were really cool the way I had it done. Might do something kind of like that again. I'm not sure yet. But these are so much fun to work with. You can use these as connectors. You could have like an ear wire up here and then some dangles down there. Or you could do a connector and then 2 dangles, you know. There's a lot you can do with this. This was a really pretty box this month. Very excited to work with this. So hope everybody's having a good new year so far. So yes, I will leave a link below to Potomac Beads if you want to check out their treasure box. And yes, cannot wait to work with this. So stay tuned for a tutorial or 2 using these beads. And thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. I know you're going to love it. And all of my information is below in the description to all of my social media if you would like to follow me on there. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.